Back to school season is here. Are you an educator and planning to create some video content to introduce new teachers? Wait no more. Let's create one today. Before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any Filmora tutorials in the future. Today, I'm going to show you how you can create a teacher introduction video by using back-to-school assets right in Filmora, including titles, transitions, effects, and elements. Now, let's start with a tutorial. I'll drag and drop my imported music onto the timeline, then head over to the Titles tab and select the Back to School category. Here, you'll find tons of back-to-school related titles. I'm going to use this opener. Drag and drop it onto the timeline, and you can replace the Back to School 2021 text with your desired text. For me, I'll leave it as it is. Then, drag and drop the videos of the school and the new teacher onto the timeline, and trim the video accordingly. Once you've done trimming the video, head over to the Back to School category under the Titles tab and select another opener as ending. I'll choose this. Drag and drop on the timeline, adjust the duration, and change the text. I'll change it to Welcome Back to School and adjust the font size of the text. Then we're going to add some titles, lower third, and callout. Start with a drone shot. I will place this title on top of it and change the text to Introducing New Teacher. Also, adjust the font size and line space according to your need. We're going to add lower third for the teachers to explain more about that teacher, including the subject they teach in their name. The lower third can be found in the same directory. I'll drag the lower third with a ruler designed for the math teacher and change the text accordingly. For the next clip, I think this is a bit wide for me. I'll scale it up to have a more close-up shot. We're going to add a motion tracking callout to explain more about this teacher in this clip. Before placing a callout, we'll need to add a motion tracking point. To do so, enable motion tracking here. Adjust the size and position of the tracking box and click Start Tracking. Once we've done it, let's search callout under the Titles tab. I'm going to use this callout, drag and drop onto the timeline. Double-click on the callout on the timeline and click Advance, and you will be prompted to a new window with more advanced tools. I'll delete the smaller text box and rotate the preset video layer to adjust the direction of the callout. Then adjust and resize both preset video and text box position accordingly. Change the text once you're ready. To apply the callout on the tracking point, double-click the video underneath and select the callout from the drop-down menu under the motion tracking option. Now we can see that the lower third is perfectly tracked. Then I will add a person waving a hand at the end here. Drag and drop the clip onto the timeline and trim it. Then click this icon to crop it, as I want to remove the Hello text on the left. Next, head over to the Effects tab and apply Human Segmentation from the AI Portrait category to isolate the person from the background. The video looks a bit dull. Simply click on this icon and select Color Correction. I'll quickly adjust the white balance in the exposure. It looks so much better now. Resize it and place it in between the text here. Then double-click on the clip. Click on Animation, and I'll add a simple fade-in transition for the waving clip. As a final touch-up, let's add some transitions. Let's go to the Transitions tab and select Back to School. Here, you'll find several back-to-school related transitions. Drag and drop your desired transitions between the clips. Voila! Now you have a simple teacher introduction video. Create one for your school or academy to introduce the new teacher. If you'd like to recreate this video, you can navigate to Filmora Creator Academy in Filmora Video Editor and click Import Template at the bottom left of the video to get the project files. Then replace the default media with your clips. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload new videos in the future. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel and comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. Till next time, stay creative with Filmora.